Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, brother. Bonnie wanted to hold brother this morning. Hey, Bonbon, do you know what day it is today? What day is it?
I don't know.
It's November 1st. What's so special about November 1st?
No, I don't know.
It's Mama's birthday today.
Ah, Mama's birthday.
Yeah. So exciting, huh?
First is the stillness.
Here's a beautiful sunset for my birthday. November 1st, the day after Halloween. I'm 30 today. Joe asked me yesterday if there's anything that I feel like I wish I would have got done before I turned 30, or had done before I turned 30. But I don't think so. I'm pretty happy with what I've accomplished and have my bachelor's and my master's degree in education, and then I have 2 beautiful children, and we're able to travel and do the things we want to do. So I'm pretty happy with my life. It seems weird that I could be 30 already. I don't feel 30, but here we are.
Bonnie, what are we doing?
Wrapping up a present for my mom
For what?
for her birthday.
For her birthday. What'd you get her?
I can't tell you.
Oh, good call. That was a test and you passed. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mommy. Can you bring it to Mommy? Happy birthday to you.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
You'll get your main dessert tomorrow, but I figured that would probably work out.
I really was hoping you got me one of these. I was kind of sad when you came in and didn't give it to me. Okay, can I open a present?
Yeah.
Wow, you did a good job
You
wrapping
can open
this.
it. Oh.
I get to open all of them?
This one is for you, and this one is for me.
Well,
Oh, I wonder what's in here.
It's a green one for me.
Bonnie, you're not supposed to tell Mommy.
Oh, the green one's for you? Okay, ready?
And she said because she wanted to sword fight you.
Okay, you gotta pull that little piece out. Pull the plastic.
tab.
Okay.
Look at that. All right, you gotta. Oh, jeez, you're going too hard.
Calm down. You're gonna break your sword. Look, you turn your light off.
You turn your light off.
Gotta be gentle. Gotta be just jokes. Oh, that's too hard. Okay, can I open up another one? Thank you so much. Okay, don't tell me. Don't tell me. Okay, brother, you want to?
Hang on.
Here, do you want a ribbon? Oh, can you go get the ribbon, then, brother?
I got it. You want the ribbon? Yeah, what's that? Oh, it's straight into the mouth.
She loves ribbons. Oh, I needed one of these.
Bonnie picked that out
Here you
too.
go.
Oh,
It's even blue.
Now let's fight. Yeah.
oh,
Thank
hang
you,
on.
baby.
I didn't get it.
Oh, it's even blue. Thank you, baby. That looks awesome.
Daddy's present to Mommy has not got in yet, but
You wanna fight in the forest?
Yes, I want to fight you in the forest.
Wow.
Woo. Ready? Let's go to the forest.
all right. Where's the forest?
I don't know. Thank you, Daddy.
Mm-hmm. Hang
Spin move. Do a spin move. Power sword.
He's fighting it really hard.
Dad's working on birthday dinner, fried fish,
My
and
partner fell asleep.
Marlin couldn't hang. It's nap time.
Happy birthday to
Bonnie, someone's at the door. Come on.
baby. Oh, hi, honey. Oh, oh. Did you just think you should grow up? Yeah. You should stay little. Yes, you should. I think you should stay little. Yeah. I think you should stay little. You get those toes. You get those toes. Yeah. Get 'em, buddy.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Marlin. Oh, he's so handsome.
So I'm here in Yakutat, and this is called Cannon Beach. So this is one of the points in Alaska where we're in the open ocean. It's cold. It's probably, I don't know, 10 degrees. And so I'll show you in a minute why it's called Cannon Beach. This is why it's called Cannon Beach. This is a World War II era tank that was stationed here. Yakutat was a base to a bunch of folks in that era, and a lot of the tanks and cannons during that time just became, stored and eventually became useless. So now it's just kind of a cool name for a beach. Yakutat, because of this, has one of the longest airway strips in Alaska. It was the longest for quite some time, and then I believe Anchorage and Fairbanks both now have longer runway strips, so that way they can land military vehicles. So yeah, pretty neat.
I'll show you guys. I don't know if you can see, but the water is getting whipped up off of the ocean right now because it's so windy here. Hopefully we don't lose power, and hopefully no trees fall on our house. A tree just fell right next to my brother's house, so hopefully nothing like that happens here.
What?
The electricity is out.
Yes.
No electricity.
And
Got some candles. Got our flashlights. Hopefully the electricity comes on before it gets too cold tonight. We might all have to sleep on my bed.
Yep.
Are you 6 months old? Are you, is it your half a year birthday? Happy birthday. Happy birthday, handsome. You little man, you. Oh yeah, you gonna show us how you like to roll around. Is that your favorite? Do you like to go rolling? You can try to get it. No, thank you. Yeah, ice skating is slippery. Bonnie wanted to do some ice skating before school, but then she fell on her boo-doo. You okay? Gotta be careful. Gotta ice skate careful.
Yeah.
Gotta ice skate safe. What you doing, Daddy?
Making Marlin's first real cereal.
He's gonna eat real food. I'm excited and sad.
It's fine. Oh yeah. Okay. Go.
Oh,
Hey,
nice. Brother grabbed the cereal. He was ready. He was ready.
It's clean. It's clean. Here. Ready?
Yeah,
go
you
ahead
can
and
play with
Here.
it.
Ready?
You wanna try some cereal? Yeah, try the bites. What do you think?
You like it?
Yeah. Yay, brother.
Good job.
Phantom. You need a bath anyways, it's okay. So apparently in our house, it doesn't matter if it's not Easter. We can still dye some Easter eggs. Let me see your hand, Bonnie.
Who are you?
Hulk.
Hulk.
Bonnie has to dye Easter eggs because we boiled eggs today. I think this is Marlin's first time wearing shoes. He got them from his cousin, and they're very small. They fit him right now, so they're not going to fit for long, but I thought they'd be cute to try on. Here you go.
Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. You like it? Bouncy, bouncy.
I like it. Woo.
Such a bouncy kid.
That's how it's done.
Day 2 of eating yummy tummies.
You didn't even spell it. Oh.
Come on. Oh, don't wipe your face. You're so wily.
I know I have to go down. No, thank you. I just have to clear.
Oh, is it your first time in the snow? What do you think? What do you think? The first snow from our Mars. We had to squeeze him into a 9-month suit because that's all we had, and then he's wearing size 5 boots. Yeah, you need a bigger snowsuit. Ah. What do you think, Bonnie? You like the snow?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Come in here.
Yeah, I want to go in there. Are we gonna go play on your treehouse?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
This is the treehouse.
Okay, show me.
This is the treehouse.
Go show me. Go show me your treehouse. What are you gonna do?
Let me look for footprints.
Ooh, footprints. Oh, should we see if there's been any animals in our snow? On the deck, I bet you'd be really easy to tell.
Let's go.
Should we go look on the deck? See if we can see any footprints on the deck?
Hey, Mom.
Look, now I see your footprints. Did you see a footprint? I think I see cat footprints. I think a cat went through here. Mama, are you in the heart? Are you in the heart in the snow? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy, boy? You don't know what you think about the snow? You don't know what to think? Say cheese! Say snow!
Can you go? A goose, a gas. A gas, a goose. A gas. A gas, a mouse. A goss.
Are you reading Brother a book?
Wow.
What do you think? What do you think? You're not so sure about the applesauce?
Go ahead, climb up there.
Marlin, you want to go on your first slide?
You want to go on the slide with sister? Yeah, you do? All right.
Daddy, keep you safe, okay?
Yeah. It'll be fun.
Okay, go ahead and sit down at the top.
Ready? Go ahead. Put your feet up there. Open your legs up. Ready? Grab onto him.
Hold on to him, baby.
Grab on tight. Grab on tight under his arms. Like this. Right
There you go.
Both arms. Ready? Put his arm in the front. Go!
I'm not sure how he feels about that.
What do you think? Yay! What do you think? Was that fun?
A little
Not
smirk.
sure.
He got a little smirk.
Little smirk. Ooh, yeah, he says he likes it.
Bonnie's still having fun at the park. Marlin. He fell asleep. Sweet boy. He's walking laps with Nana.
Good.